Thank you for your kind words, Chairman. And at the outset, I would like to thank Dr. Vijayakumar. I really do not know why he has given me this topic, because when I surfed through preparing the slides, it has taken me several days, and I thought it requires more than 2 days to actually cover the entire topic. But I'll try my best to finish it in 20 minutes. Digital technology or artificial intelligence. My talk will be, I'll be introducing the topic, electronic health records, real-time data analysis, artificial intelligence itself, telemedicine, patient empowerment, and then a little bit on the challenges that we face. Digital technology has revolutionized the healthcare industry, just like any other industry, transforming the way clinical decisions are made. With the advent of the digital health tools, clinicians can now make more informed decisions based on the data-driven insights. In this presentation, we will explore the impact of digital technology on clinical decision making and how it is changing the landscape of healthcare. So now coming to the electronic health records, we all know, because most of us are using this, electronic health records, I'm sorry for the lot of text in this. Electronic health records are digital versions of patients' medical records that can be accessed and shared securely by authorized healthcare providers. EHR systems can contain a range of information, including demographics, medical history, diagnosis, medications, immunization status, allergies, lab tests, and radiology images, and many more things. One of the primary benefits of EHR systems is that it allows doctors to access patient records in real time, regardless of where the patient is living or receiving the care. This means that doctors can quickly review a patient's medical history, lab results, medication records to make more informed decisions about the diagnosis, treatment, and medication management. EHR systems can also improve care coordination among health providers who are living in other parts of the world as well. So we can take help regarding the patients. Now, real-time data analysis is another term used. One of the key benefits of digital technology is clinical decision making, is the ability to analyze the real-time patient data. Digital health tools such as wearables and connected devices can provide clinicians with continuous streams of data that can be used to inform treatment decisions. So with real-time data analysis, clinicians can identify patterns and trends in patient data that may not have been visible before. So this can lead to the earlier diagnosis, more personalized treatment plans, and better patient outcomes. This also, real-time data analysis in clinical medicine refers to the use of advanced technologies and analytical tools to collect, process, and analyze medical data in real time. The goal of the real-time analysis is clinical medicine to improve patient outcomes, as I already said, by providing healthcare professionals with up-to-date and accurate information that can be used to make informed decisions. Now, improved accuracy is the most important thing, that is artificial intelligence algorithms, because they can analyze vast amounts of patient data and identify patterns that may not be visible to human clinicians, leading to more accurate diagnosis and treatment decisions. Increase efficiency, Increase efficiency with the digital technology can automate many routine tasks such as data entry, data analysis, allowing the clinicians to focus on more complex decision making. Now, so ultimately, better outcomes is the hallmark. Artificial intelligence and digital technology can help clinicians make more informed decisions, leading to improved patient outcomes and overall healthcare quality. So it has been used heavily in COVID times, we all know, and in fact, the telemedicine and digital healthcare has improved a lot because of the COVID and during the COVID and after that. Now coming to the artificial intelligence, this is another digital technology that is transforming the clinical decision making. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of patient data, and then it will provide the clinicians with insights that would be impossible to obtain manually at times. For example, AI can help clinicians predict patients' outcomes even before you start the treatment, identify potential drug interactions, and even suggest treatment plans. As AI continues to evolve, it has the potential to revolutionize the way healthcare is delivered. Of course, it doesn't replace the physicians, it only helps. So it helps in diagnosis. It can, AI algorithms can be trained to recognize the patterns in medical data that may indicate a particular condition, making it easier and faster for doctors to diagnose patients. Treatment selection can be helped, risk prediction can be assessed, and then it also helps in the clinical trials. NLP, or natural language processing, is another term that we should know. This NLP algorithms can analyze unstructured data from clinical notes and other sources, providing clinicians with the relevant information to inform their decision making. And then we have machine learning. Machine learning algorithms can identify patterns in the patient data and predict potential outcomes. So this helps in the predicting the potential outcomes, allowing clinicians to make more informed decisions about the patient care. There are many apps that are available. We all are aware of this. These mobile apps that provide decision support to clinicians, such as drug dosing, calculators, and then clinical guidelines, and many other apps that are available to calculate, for instance, diabetic risk score, or cardiac risk score, and etc., etc. We all are used to it. Now coming to telemedicine, it's another digital technology, has significant impact on the clinical decision making. Now can remotely consult with patients, review their medical records, and make treatment decisions without the need for an in-person visit. Now beneficial for patients who live in remote areas or have mobility issues, and sometimes it helps patients who cannot be moved to or bedridden. Also allows clinicians to collaborate with the specialists from around the world, providing patients with access to the best possible care. Now telemedicine provides a remote medical care and health services, rapidly growing field. And here are some points to elaborate on telemedicine. As by definition, telemedicine refers to the use of technology to provide medical care and health services from a distance. So using various devices such as smartphones, computers, and other internet connected devices. So most important thing is patient should be internet connected. Then types of telemedicine, we have, there are mainly 3 types: store and forward, remote monitoring, and live video conferencing. What is store and forward? Store and forward telemedicine involves sending medical information such as medical images, videos, or other data from one location to another for evaluation. So patients can send it to us, or we can send it to somebody else, and then come to a conclusion. Then remote monitoring allows healthcare providers to monitor and track the patient's health remotely using devices such as blood glucose monitors, heart rate monitors, and other wearable devices. We all know live video conferencing has come order of the day nowadays. Most commonly used type of telemedicine. It allows healthcare providers and patients to interact in a real time through video conferencing platforms. There are various platforms available. Only thing is that we need to see that it is legally accepted. Sorry about this. Now, Government of India has given official guidelines to conduct telemedicine. This has come about particularly after the pandemic. ICMR also says that the framework for telemedicine used in management of cancer, diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and strokes, particularly all the NCDs. Telemedicine practice guidelines have been published in 2020, and we need to know about that. Now, sedatives and narcotics cannot be prescribed during telemedicine consultations. This is a point to be noted. And we all know the story of Riya Chakravarti, who filed consumer complaint against 2 doctors in Delhi in National Consumer Forum for prescribing narcotics on telemedicine consultation to deceased Sushant Singh. Now, coming to the patient empowerment, digital technology definitely empowers the patient with the knowledge in their hand, with the health tools to track their symptoms, monitor their medications, and communicate with their healthcare providers. By giving patients access to their own health data, they can become more engaged in their own care and make more informed decisions about their treatment options. This can lead to better outcomes, as we all want, and improved patient satisfaction and health of the nation. It becomes very personalized when the patient is empowered. Then health monitoring can be done better. Patient education is improved. Early diagnosis definitely is made because of the artificial intelligence that can analyze the medical images. Then health management. Artificial intelligence can help patients manage their chronic conditions by providing personalized reminders, medication management, and lifestyle recommendations. Now, there are wearable technology is the thing nowadays. Digital technology can provide doctors with access to clinical trial data, allowing them to make more informed decisions about treatment and treatment options and medication choices. There are various wearable technology tools available. I don't need to go through this. Now, current examples include sensors in monitoring and treating OSA, CGM in diabetes, management of type 1 diabetes with pumps and CGM, COPD management, extensively used in COVID-19, and reduced risk of transmission of infective viruses between healthcare provider and the patient. Now, clinical trial data, the artificial intelligence has become very important, because digital technology and artificial intelligence can provide doctors with access to clinical trial data, allowing them to make more informed decisions about treatment options and medicine choices. So, artificial intelligence is being increasingly used in clinical trials nowadays to analyze, to interpret large amounts of data generated from various sources such as EHR, medical imaging, genomics, and wearable devices. And here are some of the ways in which AI is being used in the clinical trials. That is patient recruitment, protocol optimization, and endpoint determination. Data analysis can be done by the artificial intelligence, then predictive modeling can be done by the artificial intelligence, and then overall artificial intelligence has the potential to improve the efficacy and accuracy of the clinical trials, reducing the time and cost involved in bringing new treatments to the market. However, it is important to ensure that the data used in artificial intelligence models is representative and unbiased, and that the models are transparent and interpretable. So, digital technology can provide doctors with access to clinical trial data, allowing them to make more informed decisions about the treatment options. So now, a few words about virtual platforms. Virtual patient simulators are available, which can improve clinical decision making, learning, and engagement, particularly for students. So, according to George Brown College research study, students indicated that working with the virtual patient simulator on a wide variety of simulated clinical scenarios provided them with the knowledge, skills, and confidence for making a better learning. Benefits of virtual platforms: feedback, understanding the results of one's performance, repetitive practice, curriculum integration, range of difficulty levels, and then multiple learning strategies, like employing simulations in a variety of settings, including independent learning, lectures, tutorials, and small groups. So, clinical variations, controlled experiment, individualized learning, defined outcomes, benchmarks, or simulator validity. All this can be done through the virtual platforms. Now, coming to simulator validity, approximating complex clinical situations and tasks in an authentic, realistic manner has to be done. Now, there are challenges and future directions. While digital technology has the potential to revolutionize clinical decision making, there are also challenges that must be addressed. These include issues related to data privacy, and then interpretability, and regulatory compliance. So, looking to the future, digital technology will continue to play an increasingly important role in healthcare. As new technologies emerge, clinicians and healthcare organizations must stay up to date with the latest developments and adapt their practices accordingly. So, data quality must be accurate, and completeness of the patient data can impact the accuracy of AI algorithms, leading to potential errors or biases. Then bias, yes, artificial intelligence algorithms can be biased if they are trained on data that is not representative of the patient population, leading to potential discrimination or unequal treatment. So, ethics. The use of artificial intelligence and digital technology in healthcare raises ethical questions about data privacy and security, as well as the potential for bias or discrimination. This we need to take care. So, I thank each and every one of you for patient hearing. Thank you.